Alright guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to be using. Very simple, basic ingredients. This is a very super easy dish to make. You can whip this up in no time, either for lunch, brunch, whatever, any time of the day. So here we have some corn tortillas. I think I have about 12. I may not use all of them, but it was just kind of like to show you. These are white corn tortillas. There are two versions. There are white and yellow. Anytime I make anything that requires tortillas or even as a condiment, it's always white tortillas for me. And then of course some salt and pepper and some eggs. I have 5 eggs in here, but I'll show you as we go and you'll see how much I end up using. What I have here is a non-stick pan. So we're going to go ahead and start heating that up. And to this we're going to add some vegetable oil. Now real quick, we have our corn tortillas. I'm going to cut them up into pieces off to the side, but I wanted to show you how I do it. All I do is I just grab it and I do this. How small or how big? Well, no, not that big, but see, so what I do is I cut them up and I make them even smaller, see? Like this. You can make them a little bit bigger or you can make them smaller. So this is where I mean we won't use all the tortillas. It all depends how much I end up cutting up because they're all going to be in different sizes. But this is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and continue cutting them up while the oil heats. Okay, so my oil is heated up. I ended up cutting the 12 tortillas. So this is how they look. Pretty random slices. I mean, pretty random pieces. So let's go ahead and add it to our oil. I think it may just be too much. Yeah. That'll work. Mix it in, kind of coat it up. So now basically we're going to let this fry. So we're going to add some salt. Let's add some pepper. So what you're doing here is you're getting it to fry. I like mine crispy. I've always liked mine crispy. Now, I know there are other versions where they make it soft. You'll see when it comes out. It already started frying up. You see the dark pieces? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off the heat and I'm going to drain out that. I'm going to take it off the heat and I'm going to drain the oil. I drained the oil and this is how I like it. I like them nice and crispy. You can have it soft, however the preference of how you want your tortillas cooked basically. So I'm going to go ahead and use 6 eggs. I'm going to end up using 6 eggs. Turn the heat down just a little so it doesn't fry on you. Alright guys, so this is what the result is. This is migas, which is just corn tortilla with egg. I like mine really crispy, so that's how they look. I like to eat it with bread. And of course I have my orange juice. I like to put Cholula hot sauce on it. And then of course I'll add a little bit more salt. The kids like to put ketchup on it. And they'll just eat it like that with the fork. But this is my migas, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a like if you want to see more breakfast videos. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.